Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 62 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right. Join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 62 portfolio with you. It's not pretty. I'm also going to be looking at the Nasdaq and the Tesla charts to see the price movements and where price may be headed to. And I'm also going to have a look at the MMCD, RSI and candlesticks. So let's get into it. So it's day 62, 22nd of February 2022, two portfolios A and B. In portfolio A, just over 121 shares. In portfolio B, just under 91 shares. So that's day 62, 22nd of February 2022. So the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla is just under 212 shares. So I'm itching to get to that 212 level. My ultimate target, as my usual viewers will know, is 300 shares. So I'm 70.6% of the way there. And hopefully I'm going to get there sooner than later now that Tesla is tanking and is gone under MA 200. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So it's day 62 of 1000. So what's happening in my portfolio? So Tesla has absolutely plummeted today. It's down around 6%. There's so much turmoil in the market. There's a lot of anxiety. There's a lot of pain. There's a lot of depression. There's a lot of fear. And everybody is in selling mode. So what do long-term investors do at a time like this? They try and load up with more shares. So if I had more money now, I would be buying at this position because price has breached MA 200 and this doesn't happen all the time. This is a great buying opportunity. So if I multiply the price by the total number of shares that I have a portfolio value of $170,832.40. So remember, at its peak, my portfolio was around $250,000. It's gone down quite a lot, about $80,000. Am I worried? Hell no. This is a fantastic company. This is a great company to be invested in. They're growing phenomenally. They're growing about 50% every year. And they're going to be the leaders in EV, leaders in full self-driving, leaders in autonomy, leaders in robotics, leaders in AI. So, I am not concerned at all because, fundamentally, the company hasn't changed one bit. It's just that there's more fear in the market, there's more anxiety, and that is driving the price down. So their loss is my gain. So I'm going to be buying as much as I can if I had the money. So that's day 62 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis now. So let's have a look at the Nasdaq 1-year chart. So the price movements are in candlesticks, and then I've got the horizontal green lines as support and resistance. So let's have a look what's happening. So as you can see, the price has broken the 13750 line and is probably heading to around 1300 now. So as you can also see, the MA50 has crossed under the MA 200. So technically, the Nasdaq is in bearish mode, so it could go down further. It could go down to 12,500 or even 12,000. So again, don't panic because the Nasdaq always recovers over the long term. Think long term. That's why I keep on saying think long term and don't panic. Be very mechanical around what's happening at the moment, because you could be buying some fantastic companies at very, very cheap prices if you play your cards right. So that's the Nasdaq 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1-year chart now. So again, if we zoom into it, we can see that the MA 200 has been breached. So it has broken the MA 200 level. It's sitting at $806. So I suspect if there is more pressure downwards, if there is continued weakness in the market, it's going to go down to 775. If there's still continuous, weakness in the market, it's going to go down all the way to 700. So again, fantastic buying opportunities. My cost basis is around $814. If it goes to 700, that's even better because I'll be able to reduce my cost basis even more. And as a long-term investor, my main concern is to lower my cost basis, because if I can do that, I will be achieving my goals that little bit earlier. So that's the Tesla 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the RSI. So RSI has gone down to 35.66. Anything under 40 is a great buying opportunity in my opinion. If it goes down to 30, then Tesla is on sale. It's a fire sale. fundamentally, if nothing has changed with the company, then this is a fantastic buying opportunity. And you know, if I had more money, I keep on saying this, but if I had more money, I would just be plowing it into Tesla right now, because I know in the long run this company will succeed. This is a very, very resilient company. Many people have come after these companies and then they failed, but I know that, you know, Tesla will be the future. They're going to be an amazing growth story, probably the greatest growth story ever told. So I'm a buyer when RSI is under 30, even a buyer now when it's at 35. So that's the RSI analysis on Tesla. Let's have a look at the MACD analysis. So as you can see, if I zoom into it, MACD, the black line has crossed under the red line, which is a sell signal. So it's a bearish signal. So again, price, there is lots of weakness in the market. It's going to continue to be weak. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down even more and the histogram goes into the negative level even more. So, you know, everyone is selling because there's so much fear in the market. You know, there's like so much escalation around Ukraine and Russia. So if it keeps on escalating, price is going to fall even more. If it de-escalates, then price is going to start rising. So, you know, this is a great opportunity as a long-term investor. If you think about it, I have a 1,000-day horizon. So this is just noise for me and a great buying opportunity. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. Let's have a look at the candlestick analysis now. So as you can see, MA200 has been broken significantly on high volume. So this means that price will probably go down to 775. So expect downward pressure. Don't worry if your portfolio is looking really bad at the moment. You know, just be concerned about the fundamentals of the company. And let me assure you, the fundamentals of the company have not changed one bit. Tesla is still saying they will grow at 50%. Tesla has huge ambition to be the leaders in EV, leaders in autonomy, leaders in robotics, leaders everywhere in AI. So, you know, this is a great opportunity as a long-term investor. So for me, I'm a buyer, but even if it goes down to 775, I'm going to be very mechanical about it. I'm going to try and buy even more. I'm not going to panic and sell at a loss, because that's the worst thing you can do, because you know this is a fantastic company. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has broken the 850 level comprehensively, and price is also below the MA200 level. So again, when it goes below the MA200 level, Tesla is on sale. So the next point is MACD crossover has happened and the bears are in control. So price could go down even more. And the next key point to remember is RSI has dipped to 35 and may fall even further. So again, what I'm trying to reiterate is that the bears are in control and they could drive the price down, even though there is nothing fundamentally wrong or nothing has fundamentally changed for Tesla. It's just the fear factor that's reducing the price. So just remember that before you hit that sell button. So those are the key points to remember. So what are the buying levels? So 900 broken, 850 broken, 824 broken. Next one is 725. Will it reach there? If it does, you know, I'm a buyer if I've got the money. So what is my plan now? So the plan is as usual. I'm going to dollar cost average into Tesla shares no matter what and buy at regular intervals. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels. I'm going to try and buy as much as possible under 1,000. And finally, I'm not going to sell my position. This is a forever stock for me. I'm going to keep it for at least 1,000 days. My price target is 3,400. And you know, if my calculations are correct, in 1,000 days, I should be able to make $1 million. So, you know, follow me on my journey and see what happens. So that's my plan for now. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on the journey. This is such a roller coaster journey. And, you know, videos like this really make it worth it. So, you know, join me on my journey. Join me to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. Join me on my journey to see if I can put my money where my mouth is and keep this position open for 1,000 days. And join me to see if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. That's right. Join me on my journey to see if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. So, you know, finally, I appreciate any likes and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value. And until the next update, I wish you all the best and have a great day.